I just want to show you on the Hamanaka how to fix a dropped stitch. I've managed to drop a stitch while knitting this pattern. So it was a rib pattern, so to start with I've pushed all the needles to the back bed and removed the carriage. Now I'm going to put this bar with the ends on it across the needles at the back of the bed to hold them in place. It's one of the tricky bits about this machine. And then this is a bit of elastic. Well, it's not very elastic, but it works. So that just slides over each end of the bar to hold that in place. Now this will allow me to unscrew the knobs on the underside of the bed and pull the front part of the bed off. That allows me now to get access to where I've dropped the stitch and make the repair. I'm just going to use a spare needle for this one, and you can see here I've dropped this stitch. I'm just going to open that latch, hook this stitch back up, put it back on the needle. Now I can put my bed back together. If it'll go, why won't it go? Helps if you get it in the right place, hey? Do my knobs back up again. Take the bar off, reset my stitch pattern, and now I'm good to go again. Thank you.